Hi! 3, 2, 1, go. Hi everyone! Welcome to
Match
episode, no? Yeah.
Pilot episode tayo, guys. Ano masasabi nyo?
Wala lang. Ang masasabi ko ay, yun lang.
Yun lang. May nasabi ka pa rin.
Oo, may nasabi ako.
Putting it out there, I'm very excited. I'm using the word excited. Kasi to be honest, nakabahan talaga ako.
Bakit?
Kasi, well, sige.
Is it sa topic ba?
Yes!
Yung topic na pag-uusapan natin today.
It's very, something that is very apparent. And we need to really
Open up ourselves.
It's a difficult conversation.
Yes.
For you.
For us.
Ikaw.
For us.
But before that, sabihin nyo sila, what's this first episode about?
Yes. So ito nga po ang pag-uusapan natin ng unang episode, diba? Since prominent nga po sa mga sangkalalakihan ang ating mga iba't ibang mga kakeme-kemehan,
Yes.
I'd like to compliment your outfits mo.
Actually, you know what? Before we begin, alam nyo, why not introduce muna kaya tayo?
Ay, oo nga pala. Nakalimutan natin.
Sorry, excited.
Diba? Okay.
Left
Excited.
to right.
Okay.
Kung kinakabahan kayong katabi mo, ano?
Left to right. Right to left. Dito nga, dito.
Ito na lang.
Hello guys, my name is Paul Laurel. I stand 6 foot flat.
Wow.
Wow!
VTR?
VTR? Oh, left to
And
right.
nakilala ko sa bida man ng It's Showtime.
Pero mas makikilala ka namin ngayon.
Yes.
Bilang-
As a man.
As a manch? Be the manch?
Be the man.
Oo.
Uy, okay yun ha? Be the match.
Be the manch.
I like that. Okay. And then you be the match.
Okay.
Next.
Ako po si Aaron Maniego, standing 6'4", and heterosexual male. Oh, Lord! Tsaka ako po ang inyong bida mamshi.
The only mamshi.
Huwag mo ganyan yung pre, kung muna sa sarili mo.
So, hi everyone. I'm Chico Alicaya.
Hi, Chico.
Hi, Chico.
Hi, Chico.
More about you.
Yan lang.
Saan nakilala bro?
Ayan.
More about
So,
me mamaya.
so mystery.
Yes.
You're that kind of man, gano'n.
Kinda.
Mysterious ka.
Mysterious.
Red flag ka, red flag.
Later on, mas
Nilabel na agad.
Ikaw, sino ka?
Ako, can I introduce myself?
Hindi. Yung na.
Kilala ka na bro?
Pwede naman hindi.
Pwede ba
Anyway,
yun?
hi everyone. My name is Esteban. I'm a theater, film, TV actor.
Height.
Hi, Esteban.
Hindi ko alam ba't may height.
Wow.
Height sa... Wala na yung height.
Oo.
Very important sa inyo mga lalaki yung mga height, no?
Hindi naman.
Hindi kasi kuwari kapag, sorry segue lang pero kapag may nagsasabi na 6'1" ka, sa katotohanan 5'11" ka lang. 'Di ba?
May addition.
Oh, may addition.
Depende naman.
Kasi nakakatangkad ng ego. Pero speaking of nakakatangkad tong outfit mo. Describe mo naman yung description mo sa outfit mo. Ano ka ba?
Actually, holiday mode pa ako. Ito yung first wear ko back. So, ito yung sunuot ko nung Christmas party natin, kung naalala nyo. Hindi pa ako naliligo.
Nice. Nice.
So yeah, holiday mode pa ako kaya ito muna yung napili kong susunod. Ikaw, ano yan?
Ito,
What are you wearing?
sponsored by, pwede ba sabihin? Sponsored by Guess. Wow. Guess.
SM?
Guess FM.
Guess FM. Radio station.
Hindi, pero I would describe my outfit as metrosexual. Uso pa ba yun?
There's
Ngayon ko na lang siya ulit narinig.
Sorry, millennial ako eh. Okay na. Pero speaking of outfits, ito, madidescribe ko to si Polo as parang medyo fuckboy, no?
Slight.
Ano naman siguro?
It's medyo streetwear eh.
Oo.
For me, hindi. Para siya
Yan bro, you got me.
family-oriented.
Yun.
Ay!
This is my bro. This is my bro right
Where'd
here.
you get that family-oriented vibes?
Diba?
Kasi holiday.
Decent lang doon.
Ay.
Mukhang good boy lang.
Totoo ba?
Cover lahat kasi I don't know.
So ako pa yung mapanakit ng puso.
Grabe.
Oo.
Hide it nga.
Grabe. Pero ako, if I were to describe Polo's outfit, parang very toxic.
Toxic?
No?
I won't deny.
Oo.
I won't deny.
Pero, which brings us to our topic na may pagka-toxican din kasi ang mga lalaki. Which brings us to our topic, men are trash. Ano ang...
Pause.
Why? Wow, kaagad. Oo. Men are trash. Men are trash. Saan nagsimula ang terminology na yun?
Men are trash, I believe, since I...
Dahil ba eco-friendly tayo?
Could be.
Oo.
Could be. Because
Hindi, may kasama tayong teacher yan. Alam niya lahat ng facts.
Oo nga, mukha akong professor. Oo.
Bagsakan mo, bro. Bagsakan mo.
natin yan po. Anyway, Men Are Trash, it came from, I believe, sorry, nag-review kasi ako kanina.
Wow.
And I
Pati
believe it started way back, correct me if I'm wrong.
In the 1800s.
2017.
Charot.
2017, when there was an incident in South Africa. Na
Ay, narinig ko to, yung murder. Minurder ng boyfriend
femicide,
yung ano.
yes.
Yeah.
Boyfriend murdered and burned, right? His girlfriend. So, dun siya nag-start yung pagkaroon ng revolution against.
Pero bro, anong na-feel mo nung narinig mo yung phrase na yun na Men are trash?
I'll be completely honest, okay? Since this podcast, share ko na guys.
We don't judge, we
We judge harder.
judge harder.
Hindi, I believe, ako personally, my intention going into this podcast, I want this podcast to be a space where we can all learn, where we can dissect our thoughts.
Paano yung dissect?
Remember high school? Where I'm from?
Men are trash talaga.
And so we can understand why we react in such ways, and then further move forward so that we can be better and improve as men. Okay? So, I'll be honest, when I first heard Men Are Trash, medyo napapause talaga ako.
Pause.
Why? Not me.
Why, bro? They explain.
Not all men
Not
ba?
all men.
Ah.
Right. Pero, I didn't stop there. Okay? And yun naman yung, for me, I would like to advocate on that. Huwag tayo mag-stop dun sa, wait, hindi naman eh.
Huwag i-generalize.
Pero syempre, before the not all men, I think I wanna validate muna yung rason kung bakit meron kasabihang men are trash, diba? Kasi sa perspektibo ko na men for men. Men for men. Ano?
Go. Sige, bakit mo?
Ano, may awat.
Wala po.
May awat. Okay. Sa perspektibo ko kasi na men are trash talaga, nag-a-agree ako. Kasi sandamakmak at sandaang mga kababaihan at kabaklaan ang nakakaranas ng mga iba't ibang problema, issue,
Yes.
at mga kastresan dahil sa lalaki. 'Di ba? It's such a normal, it's not even a normal thing. It's such a prevalent thing in recent times na meron na in a given situation na may pagka-toxic ang isang lalaki, 'di ba? Well, isang example, experience ko. Oh my God, mag-open up na ako kaagad.
Tissue.
Ano, hindi.
Yan.
Actually, dati magtitissue ako, pero ngayon, hindi na ako mag-rest back eh. For example, kaya malakas yung paninindigan ko sa kasabihang men are trash is because that's most of my experiences when it comes to my dating life. I've been in situations na toxic ang lalaki, and syempre, the-delve natin sa mga next episodes kasi ayoko mag-trauma dump kaagad, di ba? Pero, very prevalent sa buhay ko yun. And several of my friends have also experienced trash men in general. And gets ko, there are also trash women and trash gays. Pero most of the time, yung lalaki ang problema eh. Diba, Polo?
Yes, actually, men can be trashy talaga. Pero I believe we can be recycled.
Wow!
Hindi,
So,
I mean,
kailangan iligtas ka pa
we
para
can be-
magbago ka.
Dito, we can be recycled by changing the patterns, diba? Kasi choice yun eh. We're gonna become trash if we choose trash decisions. Pero kung babaguhin mo yun, yung mga choices mo, you turn them into quality. You're not gonna become trash anymore.
But
diba?
not everyone
You
is
can be
like
recycled.
you. Bakit hindi biodegradable?
Science na
And I just
usapan
want to
natin
say,
dito.
guys, I acknowledge yung sinabi ni Aaron, and that's very valid kasi that's your truth eh.
Yeah.
That's your reality. That's
Yeah.
why you're very strong about, what do you call this?
Well, yung
the term.
stance niya.
Yes,
Yeah, yung mga
yes.
stance
And that's why we need to talk about it because all of us, no, even you viewers, you all have different realities. And ako, I'm an advocate of understanding because if we choose to understand more than judgment, di ba? Parang it will be a better world that we are living.
I believe ako nagkaroon din ako ng phase na I was really trashy.
Ay.
And yun ang
Paano?
ginawa ko. Pinili ko lang gawin yung mga tama. And I think,
Mo?
naging insensitive ako. Lalo na sa mga taong mahal ko. Lalo nung nasasaktan ko na sila. And I think that's a very trashy behavior. No? Like when you're very insensitive na and masyado kang self-centered And yun yung iniiwasan ko ngayon. So I think right now I'm just choosing to do the right things.
Pero at that point in time muna, nare-recognize mo ba na gago ka nga?
Hindi. Actually, pag ginagawa mo siya, hindi mo siya ma-recognize. Through time. I think time is the truth teller talaga. Doon mo ma-realize. And sige bro, pasok.
That's why it's important to have quality friends.
Yes.
Kasi nga sometimes, 'di ba ikaw ba Chico, nagkaroon ka na ng ganung incident wherein you're ano yun? Hindi mo na realize na you're being trashy na pala. Because
Ito, sa bait na to. Ha?
No.
no. Parang maraming
Kasi I'm just listening to you guys. Kasi totoo naman lahat eh. I mean, men are trash. Not all men. Pero yung pinakagrabe is the environment. Yan talaga. I remember
Bakit
na...
saving the planet ba tayo? Ano?
Nagkaroon ka rin ba ng face na parang feeling mo naging trashy ka din?
Oo, kasi because of my environment. And di mo yan malaman.
environment meaning friends.
Yeah, your friends.
Who you surround
where,
yourself with.
Yeah, how you... where you grew up.
Yes.
Who you see, who you talk to every day. And then parang...
Malaking impact niya talaga. yung
Did you
nangyari.
feel like you had to put on a facade
No,
para to fit in somewhere?
No eh. Kasi you think everything's right. Kasi yun yung
Yun,
friends
yun yung
mo.
tama sa
But
grupo na
actually,
yun.
Di mo alam na sila nagbully sila. Di mo alam na ang dami nang nasaktan. And then you'll realize it na parang kapag busy ka na, you know, you're chasing your dreams, ganun, di ba? You can't say yes all the time sa mga hangouts nyo. And then you'll realize, totoo no? Mali pala yung mga ginagawa namin. So, men are trash if they don't know
That they're
or
trash.
if they're not accountable sa mga ginagawa nila. You have to be accountable talaga.
And I think unfortunately, a lot of people, a lot of men are still undergoing that process. Kasi kayo napagdaanan na ninyo eh. Diba?
And we're still going through it.
Are you still going through it?
We're still in the process of getting better.
Yun,
Getting better.
Yung nakakalungkot lang sa akin is that nadadamay na rin ang mga ibang tao because of the lack of accountability that men have. Kasi I think a lot of us are going through our own journeys in life. Be it straight, gay, man, woman. Pero bakit kapag sa lalaki, hindi sila they don't hold themselves accountable sa mga kamalian nila?
Usually pride eh. And we live in a world na parang there's social media eh. So, everything's a facade. Like you said, facade ba yan? No, like, I grew up na parang going there pa yung social media na to the point na, pare, you have to do this to be cool.
Yeah.
Pare, you have to be varsity to be cool.
Achieve something.
So parang,
certain
what
level.
if I wanna act?
Yeah.
I can't kasi your friends think it's not cool. Pare,
May mga
wala.
finance bro,
So,
giga
parang-
chad na...
parang ganyan. So,
May mga tropa ka ba na gano'n hanggang ngayon?
I have old friends.
Name drop.
Old friends.
Paula Laurel, sa Dalmara.
Old friends na parang they're still stuck in high school. Doon ko talaga na, if you wanna change, it comes from you. You can't change someone else, di ba?
Yeah.
So-
Be the change you want to see in the world.
So parang,
But what's your take on calling your friends out for their red flags?
Oo. Kasi in that situation, di ba, parang konsentidor kayo sa isa't isa eh. So,
Yeah, kasi may bro code tayong tinatawag, di ba, minsan?
oh my God,
Ang
that
hirap
bro
i-confront
code.
ng tropa natin pag medyo sumusobra na.
I was thinking about that. Kasi ang hirap eh. Ako, I'll be honest, I'd like to believe I'm a modern progressive man. But whenever I'm in the situation,
What do you mean by that, bro?
parang
But
I always,
what are the qualifications of being a modern progressive man?
you're challenging the traditional way of being a man.
Yes. Wow.
Yung how we are, yun nga, yung parang you're supposed to achieve something, to be cool, to be accepted, to be
heard.
Yes, to be heard. But then, what do you call this? It's, anong sinasabi ko? Diba?
Nung wala na yung
Yun nga, train of thought.
And then, in
No,
terms
it's-
of ano,
Your environment, right? Your
Yes,
environment
yes,
and to be like a man. Like, let's say, tayo.
Yun,
di ba, like,
naalala ko na ulit.
nice! Connection yan.
Nakita niyo ba yun? Nakita niyo yun, guys?
yung ginagawa nun eh.
Hindi,
Connection yan eh.
when I'm in that situation na may ginagawang problematic, toxic, red flag yung kaibigan, ang hirap i-call out for some reason. And sometimes I hate myself for it.
I think that's one of the reason why hindi kayo nagpa-progress masyado. Kasi kapag
Accountability.
kapag ganun, yung bro code sobrang lakas na tipong nakikita mo yung tropa mo sa club nakikipag baliko na gaano na sa ibang tao.
Yeah.
Tapos you're gonna keep silent about it. Have you ever experienced that, Polo?
Ano yun?
Chivalry is dead, to be
Ah.
honest. Wala nang bro code ngayon. I mean,
Totoo ba?
Hindi, pero ako, I try my best I mean, kasi yun nga, since I said na I hate myself for it. So, whenever there's an opportunity to correct, pangit ng term na correct kasi,
Correction facility.
hindi kasi, ayoko kasi yung feeling na parang, alam mo yun, since I know this, parang baka you're better. Kasi, it gives that vibe or idea na I'm better than you, I'm superior. Diba? Parang ako, I just wanna come from a place na understanding and parang helping the person.
Tsaka kung alam mo naman yung
realize.
intentions mo, di ba?
True.
Like, you can never go wrong with that.
True.
yeah.
So,
Kung alam mong mabuti naman yung intentions mo.
so guys, let's hold each other
Others-
accountable.
Akala ko, let's hold each other.
Kasi I
With that being said, men can be trashy, but we can be recycled. We can change. I believe that.
Not all men.
Not all men will change.
Not all men will change.
Pero with their, ayan, since we're in the topic of holding each other accountability, I will challenge that idea, Chico, not
Go.
all men. Because that is also my first idea. When I first heard about it, na men are trash. Teka, ako, hindi naman I mean, hindi naman ako tawag dito na luloko, ganyan.
My God, you'd be surprised. 9 out of 10. Naglaloko na.
Yun nga.
Uh-huh.
So, tawag dito, but then my partner, okay. Kasi when I told her about it, na yun yung reaction ko. Wait, hindi naman lahat. Bakit? Ito ba sabi ko, don't judge me, guys. It's way back. Sabi niya, kasi feminist ako Sabi niya. And I said, bakit may feminism? Bakit walang meninism? Tapos talaga nakita ko yung eyes niya.
Ayun na.
Uy, easy! I'm Dinidiscuss
Relax,
lang natin.
relax.
Dinidiscuss lang natin. My previous thought process. So we can understand better each other and help each other to be better. And alam mo yun, mag-guide sa, ano ba? Progressive na kind of thinking in this modern world.
This,
Okay.
That's right.
I think, yung meninism na yan, the world is essentially meninism. You know?
Yes, correct.
The world is built for you,
Yes.
guys.
Oh,
It's already
Yeah,
a
that's true.
patriarchal system
Yeah,
that we
that's
live
true.
in.
Kaya,
It's a man's world.
Yes.
It's crazy.
and that's such an unfortunate thing. Kasi alam mo ba na sinaunang panahon, napaka-matriarchal ng Pilipinas, na mas yung female figure ang mas nagiging, babaylan, ang mas powerful. Ano nangyari ngayon, di ba? Porkit na-colonize lang tayo, di ba?
Anyway, going back, yun yan sinabi niya, exactly those words. Bakit kailangan niyo pa meninism and in the first place, kayo na nga yung ahead
Oo.
Why do you need to fight for your rights? Kami itong mga babae na dehado. So, we should be the one na merong feminism. So, nag-gets ko, ano? Tama.
Wow, character development.
Yeah, so- That's why we have this podcast.
Yes.
We're all friends here. We're all processing our thoughts.
How do you feel na this world was built for you?
No. I want Polo stake sa accountability. Yan kasi you didn't
My
open
take
pa.
on accountability.
Yan.
I think, yun nga, na-mention mo kanina, if you have good friends then marirealize mo They can guide you.
Yes.
And don't be afraid to ask for guidance na rin. You know, if you're seeking for the true, the goodness and you're seeking for the right thing to do, always ask guidance, di ba? And ako kasi, the way I take it, I always try to choose the right thing to do pag nasa isang situation ako. And I think kung ganun yung intentions ko, I can never go wrong. Kahit hindi kailangan lahat mag-agree sa ginagawa ko or hindi kailangan maintindihan ng lahat. But as long as nandun yung intentions ko and genuine ko siya na-feel, yun yung i-express ko.
Oh, pero ito, bibigyan kita ng example or situation. Kung makikita mo yung tropa mo na nag-cheat on sa jowa niya sa club, ano gagawin mo?
At this point in my life, I'm gonna call him out. Kasi yun na yung ginagawa ko ngayon Now that I'm trying to be the better man, I try to take as much people as I can with me or as much guys as I can. My cousins.
Ako rin, I take as much guys as I can. Ay.
In one go?
Okay. What were you saying?
So yun, I try to influence them in a way na mapakita ko sa kanila yung landas and ano yung epekto pag ginagawa mo yung tama.
Does that usually work?
For me, it works. It works for me kasi dati nung bata ako sobrang sobrang gulo kong bata. I was a dropout. My parents were always called to school. I had bad grades. Pero I believe all those experiences led me to who I am right now. Kasi hindi ko rin malalaman yung tama if hindi ko nagawa yung mali. Which I'm not saying na gawin niyo yung mali, guys. I mean, naturally dadating yun. Pero never stop seeking to do the right thing. Siguro yun yung ma-advise ko.
Ikaw, so Chico, with your past situations na yung mga tropa mo yung nagwawalang landas na sila yung perfect description ng men are trash, paano ka nakatakas doon sa ganong situation or paano mo na-affect yung mga circle mo na ganon?
Not really affect because you see it eh. Once you change, you really change. Kasi change comes from you, di ba? Kahit you influence Polo, your whoever best friends you have na, oh, you should change, you should be like this. No, they won't change. Maybe they'll give a facade, pero they won't change.
Oo nga, hindi magbabago yung mga ganyan.
So parang, it was few years. I think it was after PBB. So yeah, pumasok ko sa bahay ni Kuya guys, 2020. And finally, 3 years after, uwi ako sa Cebu.
Akala ko 3 years after nakalayas ka na sa bahay ni Kuya.
I wish.
Ang tagal mo rin.
I wish sana kasi ang sarap ng buhay doon. Aircon, 24 hours, free food. Sus.
Walang bills,
grabe.
no?
Daming babayaran. Anyways, so 3 years when I got back, gusto ko lang, yo bro, let's jog early in the morning kasi I wanna run. I wanna talk more. Pero bakit parang, oh, let's still go sa club. Oh, no bro, let's pre-game somewhere. Okay lang sana yung drink and then usap. Kasi for me right now, I wanna get to know you better. That's for me. I wanna get to know you better.
Pero ako, may question ako sa inyo lahat. Anyone can answer. Ano yung turning point sa inyo? Yung na-realize nyo na, teka lang, parang kailangan ko na magbago. Parang sumusobra na ako, mali na tong
That one.
decision ko. Anyone can answer.
That one.
Yun sa'yo.
Na parang,
Ako. Hindi, perfect ako eh.
wow.
Oh.
Sorry.
Na parang, I think that was 2016.
2016.
We went out and then, same pa din since high school. We went out na parang I just didn't want to drink.
Yeah, it takes a toll
And then
on you.
biglang, oh bro, drink. No, sorry pare, like I just wanna chill lang.
As in,
But parang, you're the
alcoholic
bad guy.
level na
No, you're a bad guy if you don't drink.
kapag dinedenay mo sila,
Totoo yan. You're a bad guy
because
if
you're
you
not
don't drink.
you're not making pakisama with them.
And
Oo.
my biggest highlight lang dyan is in denial pa ako. Kasi takot ako mawalan ako ng kaibigan. And it took me 8 years to realize na I really have to get out sa environment to grow. Or to become better kasi I want to be healthier.
yourself
ganon.
better.
Parang ganun. So yeah. How about you?
Any question?
Ano yung turning point?
Turning point. Ako yun nga, when I met my partner, kasi nga sobrang into feminism siya. So, dun, as in, yung dates namin before, talagang puro argument. Kasi,
Girls can really change, women can change you talaga.
and tawag dito, super interesting niya kasi, yeah, I also came from that kind of background na tropa, barkada, inom, boobs, pare. Alam mo yan, basketball.
Basketball, pare! Bobby!
Ito kasi
Lakad varsity, ganyan. Hindi ko alam bakit eh.
Nakakawit ka.
But anyway, yun nga, when I met my partner, parang, alam mo yun, lahat ng, parang, yung reality ko, right at that point, parang, uy, mali nga, no? Or yung mali, parang, iba pala yung point of view niyo, no? So, sobrang na-curious ako na, parang, that's why I took it upon myself to challenge yung previous reality ko. And I chose, kasi yun nga, it should also come from you.
Yeah, it's a decision,
What kind
diba?
of life, what kind of man do you want to be? Diba? And feeling ko yan, sabi rin ni Paulo kanina, hanggat hindi kasi nila nakikita yung effect ng change na ginagawa mo, hindi ka nila paniniwalaan.
Yeah.
Ako, for example, yung pag-gym ko, parang for some people, parang, ba yan? Paborta ng paborta, pa-thirst trap ng pa-thirst trap. Pero, hindi alam mga tao.
Yung mental battle dun.
It goes beyond that.
Yeah.
Diba?
Pares,
So much more.
very similar kayo ni Chico in a way na, ayun nga, coming from a certain environment, nag-transcend kayo into becoming like a quote-unquote good boy. Pero sa inyo, ngayon na yung sa image ninyo ng pagiging quote-unquote good boy, ano yung perspective nyo tungkol sa pakasabihang men are trash? Tungkol doon, in that regard?
Ako, first layer of reaction.
Oh my God!
Layer.
Ah?
Hindi, I mean, anong reaction namin dun sa mga, sa phrase na yun ngayon?
Ah.
I understand it better. right now. Kasi nga, meron, I don't know guys if you've heard yung snake theory. Yeah, you've heard yun.
Snake theory? Ano yun? Hindi ko alam. Wala naman tayo ni-rehearse na ganyan.
Oo, hindi. Ano lang to top of my mind? Hindi. Di ba, para for example. Mali. Hindi, situational, di ba? Kunyari, may snake dyan.
It's so good.
Sarap,
Okay,
no? Hindi.
Actually, that's so...
Anyway,
Thank you, Pick Up Coffee.
thank you, Pick Up Coffee,
Yes.
for the
It's
yummy
actually good.
drink. Anyway, di ba kung may isang venomous na snake dyan?
Venomous?
Hindi, di ba kung may isang snake dyan, tapos nakagat yung isang tao or ikaw, tapos nalason ka, and yun na-experience mo, that's your truth, that's your reality, then the next time around that you see a lot of snakes, ano magiging first, di ba?
Defensive.
Wala bang putang ina, ahas na
Snakes are
naman.
venomous.
Yeah.
Diba? So you'll be extra careful kasi hindi mo naman alam. Kapag sinagot mo, not all snakes, how will you know? Di ba?
Tapos paano magsasalita yung snake na hindi siya venomous?
Not venomous. Parang ganun.
Ganon. I think it's just coming from a to me, the concept of men are trash, it just comes from a perspective of the woman or the person in relationship with a man when they've been hurt several times.
Experiences.
Oo, kasi
Experience,
napakaraming mga boys talaga na, alam mo yung mga kasabihang boys will be boys,
Yeah.
na tipong kuwari, nung kinalakihan namin, kasi puro ate ako, diba? So, may mga, kapag nagiging makulit yung girl, sinasabihan na parang, no, you have to act like a girl, act like a lady.
Yep.
Pero kapag itong lalaki na ito, nanggagago, makulit, nanghahampas ng tao, ay hindi, kasi boys are boys.
I think yun yung old school way of thinking. Kasi yung lolo and lola ko
I think
medyo ganun
it's a
sila.
translation from
Yeah.
boys will be boys to men are trash. You know what I mean?
Early on, tinotolerate na natin eh.
Oo, tinotolerate nyo pa ng bata pa. So ngayon, nung teenager na siya, nang-ghost siya ng mga 6 na babae, tas isang bakla.
Kasi nabavalidate kasi
Oo.
lalaki naman.
Oo.
Diba?
Kasi lalaki. Kasi kayo nagpa-propagate ng the earth with your seed. Eme. Mga putang inang mga tinato,
So,
yung
in
kalabon
addition
na
to
yan.
that, ako ay believe na rin sa men are trash. Pero gets ko nga rin naman yung defense ng mga ilang kalalakihan na nakakomment. Kasi, okay, sige, valid. Pero we can't, yun nga, kagaya ng theory kanina, we can't help but also agree to the phrase men are trash. Kasi this world that we live in, masasabi ba natin, di ba?
Hindi na tayo lang ngayon, di ba? Sa social media, ang daming physical abuse,
True.
mental abuse, cheating.
We're
di ba?
living in a patriarchal system.
Tsaka
so,
yung mga serial killer, more likely than not, lalaki
Lalaki.
yan. 'Di ba? May nakita ba kayo, onti lang yung mga babaeng serial killer dito, 'di ba? Pero, speaking of serial killers,
I think women or in general kahit sino should still give men a chance. Like we can be trashy, pero I think
it shouldn't stop there.
it shouldn't stop there. Parang bigyan niyo pa rin ng chance na mapatunayan namin yung sarili namin.
paano kung maraming... Alam mo, ito yung problema sa ganyan ha. Parati kami nagbibigay ng chance sa inyo, pero sinisira ninyo parati.
Kasi ganito, if you
That's
treat
why guys, given a chance, di ba?
Diba?
Huwag
Kasi-
sayangin.
if you treat everyone like a trash, magiging trash talaga yan. Parang di nyo kami binigyan ng choice. Trash na lang kami. Di ba? Like, but if you give us a kahit small open door na magbago and makita namin na, may price naman pala yung pagiging mabuti. Pagiging
Parang may pinanghuhugutan yan na may personal experience ka
Hindi,
ba na
parang ano lang siya,
makakwento?
parang-
Hindi, kailangan mo magkwento. Nakalagay sa prompter eh.
Ano yan? Share another personal story.
Ikaw yan.
About,
Ikaw yan. Ikaw yan.
hindi kasi ito.
Live ba to?
Apo, alam, kwento mo, kwento mo.
Ewan ko kung pasok na. Pero a wise man once told me kasi na trust is not,
Sorry.
trust is not earned. It's lost. Diba? Nawawala ako sa sinasabi ko. Tara na, uwi na tayo guys.
It's lost because
Trust
it's
is not
already given.
earned.
Yeah.
It's lost.
Hindi, parang it's already given. Parang ano na siya, what do you call that? Parang pre-given. Parang given na siya. The trust is already there. But it depends on you what you will do with that trust.
Yun. Exactly.
Okay.
Tayo ba, Aaron?
For me,
Okay na.
O sige, sige, Chico.
for me, men are trash din. As a sa side sa man. I mean, I'm straight and I think men are trash. I mean, going back again, yeah, you know, my old high school friends. Ang sakit eh. Sakit if you care for a person and vulnerable ka na parang, pare, this is my problem, ganyan, ganyan. And then, tinatawanan ka lang and sinasabihin, bro, that's why we drink and we go out. We go get some girls, kalimutan natin. In that time, parang, but I wanna talk to you about my problem. Ang sakit eh. But you can't just drink until your brains pop out the whole time.
You need to address it.
You can't just escape it. Eh. So, yeah, men are
Ano ba iniinom mo nun,
trash.
bro?
Men are trash, yes. A lot of times. Not all, pero
That's very valid,
a lot
actually.
of
That phrase is
times.
very
Yeah, kahit sa akin. Men are
Because trust is...
Ewan ko sa'yo.
So, ikaw ang tissue. Sipon ako doon.
Diba?
Lumabas yung uhog.
How about you, bro? I mean, not just women na side. How about you? Did you experience may somebody talk shit behind your back? May somebody talk to your girl while you're dating to this girl?
So, may lala...
Barkada, tropa mo ha? Like tropa mo
Kapong
mismo
lalaki na
parang-
nag-trash din sa'yo.
Like you're going out and then parang biglang, oh, this guy nag-overtake. So parang, di ba?
Alam mo, sa
What do you
environment ko, I was... Medyo ganyan yung naging environment ko when I was younger. Parang... There was this girl na we all dated as friends, pero we didn't know it was wrong.
Like, at the
That
same time...
No, not at the same time naman. Parang different time frames naman. Pero yeah, ganun yung namulatan kong environment. And I can say, it's not for me. I learned from that. Ngayon, ayoko na ng ganung environment. As much as I can, gusto ko yung mas pure yung atake. And ayoko na i-revolve lahat ng bagay sa ganun, sa lande, sa libog.
Yes,
I want, as much as I can, gusto ko gawing quality yung time.
Tama. In connection to that, parang ako, yun nga, gaya yung sabi ko kanina, what kind of life do you want to live? Eh kasi the typical man, when we get together, di ko alam kung same sa inyo, pero ako kasi sa mga barkada, lahat ng topics namin very fleeting, very surface level. Doon ako, ano ba? Doon ko medyo nag-gets, parang this is not the kind of circle that I want to be a part of.
Yeah.
I want to be surrounded by people who will challenge how I think, who will, alam mo yun, help me think more critical about things. And yun, feeling ko that's yun nga, since the typical man only talks about yun nga, boobs,
Yeah.
basketball.
So-
Joke namin.
Pero with that being said, do you
Basketball,
agree na we also need toxic friends to realize those things? Or do you
Good
cut
point.
toxic friends out agad?
Not
Ako kasi
agad.
meron akong toxic friends na I tolerate kasi I can learn a lot from them. Pero
Kaya mo
not
yun.
everyone, not everyone. Meron akong toxic friend na parang I think I need this person para minsan
Siya na-
nakakalabit ako. Siya
parang
na yung
siya
guide ko
gagawa
eh.
naman.
Oo, siya na yung gagawa ng mali para sa akin eh. And at the same time, gusto ko rin siyang i-save kasi kababata ko to eh.
So, may savior complex ka?
In-hot seat ako nito ni
Oo.
Sorry, ang
kanina
sarap
pa to.
atakihin na to eh.
Okay
Kanina ba to?
lang, okay lang. It's in the
Well-
little conversations where we grow.
Well, my intentions, alam ko naman yung intentions ko and again, di naman kailangan yun maintindihan ng ibang tao. Pero para sa akin, kung yun yung na-feel ko genuinely, that's what I will express.
You know, I wanna add something to that na yung tipong kuwari with your friendships, with your other male friends, I feel like it comes to a point then na within that certain type of environment, ang hirap i-develop yung sarili mo eh. Kaya, kuwari ako, marami akong mga straight friends na puro ka-close nila, mga bading. Not because na mas fun sila or whatever or mas ano. It's because there's no type of competition, internal competition thing.
Ganyan ako.
Oo, yun yung napansin ko eh. Within the scope na similar kayo, lalaki sila lalaki, nag-aangat-angatan kayo. Babae sa babae, nagte-tear down kayo. Oo. And surprisingly, sa mga bakla, ganyan din because gay men are still men.
Really?
Diba?
Pataas na ihi. That's why I don't go to reunions, bro.
That's why I don't go to your banyo.
Yemas. Walang water, guys.
So,
Pero good question yun, Chi. Tama, di ba ikaw yung nagtanong nun? Do you cut them off or do you...
I see.
Ano ba?
Yeah, that
Hindi,
was
I mean,
Polo.
With the toxic friends, do you cut them off or do you...
Or do you...
Oh, I cut them off.
Try to
Yeah.
No, I can't.
hold them accountable?
I can't kasi galing na ako dyan eh. Galing na ako sa barkada na puro toxic na
Thank
parang this guy dated the ex of this guy and then this guy dated the other ex of that guy na parang holy crap, you go to, you know, paikot-ikot lang kayo dyan.
Siguro depende rin talaga sa situation.
Pero kasi may another question to that. If you try to help them be accountable, how far are you willing to go? Di ba? To help them change. Di ba? Ikaw, Polo, parang, I'm sure, tinry mo. Like, with your friend na sinabi mo that you keep close.
You keep close.
I mean, this,
Kasi just a little poison, okay naman.
You still try to address, di ba, yung traits na toxic.
yeah. I mean, I just wanna make it clear na hindi ko tinotolerate yung ano nila, yung red flags nila. I mean, what I meant sa sinabi ko is,
Hindi mo
I
sila
still,
kina-cut
hindi ko sila kina-cut off. I still keep them.
Yes.
Kasi, nare-realize ko yung mga maling ginagawa nila and yun yung mga iwasan ko. At the same time, I feel like I can help this person. Walang sa area
Kasi
na-
mahirap kasi
May set, parang may-
set na kayo na relationship.
Yes. Sobrang lalim na eh. I mean,
Parang
family
pamilya
friends
lang.
na kami. So, hindi ko naman pwedeng, kakat off na lang kita dahil ganyan ka. Parang hindi.
Medyo,
Sorry.
nag-make sense siya sa akin. Parang,
Pero at the same time, hindi ko na-enable yun.
That's
At
true.
this point,
Still
dati siguro pwede pa. May time na naging enabler ako sa kanya. Pero ngayon, with the knowledge I know and the amount of work I'm putting into para sa sarili ko, hindi na. Ngayon, I call him off as much as I can.
kaya doon ako interested. Kaya ako siya natanong, how far are you willing to go before you cut them off?
May extent
it
talaga.
also depends.
Yeah.
Sa relationship na meron kayo.
Yes, it depends din talaga.
It depends din sa tao eh. Kasi ako, meron na akong ganyan bro. Kababata, cousin ko pa, siya mismo. And ayan, we go play computers together, ganon, manood siya sa mga football games ko.
Yeah.
Pero, wala eh, nag-cut off talaga bro eh. Iba yung
Yeah.
what he
I think-
does since high school, the same lang. And then,
Ano yung mga ginagawa niya?
lahat eh. Like what we did sa high school.
So,
let's
alcoholism, cheating.
say- no, not cheating. Like,
Objectifying women.
computer
Objectifying
games pa
women.
din, and then
Ay, hindi,
like,
I think hindi
drinking your
naman
brains
malala yung...
out.
Okay yun sa drinking your brains. Pero yung computer games, hindi man yung malala. Hindi.
Malala yan ay.
Oh,
Anong games ba kasi?
anong games ba yan?
Like what? Like Dota, CS.
My God, masyadong mabait talaga tong batang to.
no, like-
Iniisip niyo, men are trash. Ibig sabihin, masyadong naglalaro ng computer games siya. Masyado siya ng Dota. Kaka-cellphone mo yan. Men are trash.
No naman. I think you just wanna joke around, but for me kasi there's more to life, Aaron eh. I mean, to leave your girlfriend just for a computer game, come on.
Yes.
Minahal ka ng tao eh. Minahal ko din
May
siya.
mga
Minahal
ganun.
sa mga friends niya.
man.
Pero
Oo.
you'd trade us for what? Side chick? Side chick cause you want lang cause you're so fucking rich. Like, you can do anything you want. Na, for me when I look,
So did you cut this person off?
oh pare, kasi
Ah.
nagbigay pa yan ng baon sa akin
Ay, we?
For
what?
to do.
I mean, we weren't well off before because of my lola. I mean, you know, business didn't go on. Pero, minahal ko to pare. Sobra.
Yeah, I think, sa sinabi yung Chico, may limits din talaga yun. Meron siyang line na,
Pero
I'm
parang,
sure it's very
to
hard
the
to
point
put that
na,
off.
minahal mo yung tao, pero, iwanan mo siya kasi, you just wanna, bahala ka dyan bro, kasi I have to fuck someone. Bahala ka bro, kasi this computer game is like, serious. So, parang, men are trash. Oo, totoo. Kasi, you wanna be vulnerable with them.
yeah.
Pero,
To the point na yan. Kaya feel kita bro na, di mo siya gustong,
pakawalan.
I took 6 punches pare. Six
Nagkasakitan
punches pa.
gano'n.
No, like, parang somebody pushed him, so parang, I want to defend this guy.
Yeah.
So that's like, parang, my cousin, my brother na talaga. So parang, di ba?
Yeah.
And then, mawala siya sa'yo. Ang sakit, bro.
And you know, bro, I'm learning a lot from what you're saying then. And ang dami ko rin nare-realize. And I think that's the good thing about what we're doing is, pwede tayo magkamali dito. We're not perfect. We can be called off then. Kasi we're just speaking based sa environment natin, sa experiences.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
we still can be wrong. We can still be called off.
Totoo.
So, even among men are trash talaga.
Oo.
Yeah.
Kaya sabi ko
It's valid.
kanina na kahit me, I'm straight as an arrow, pero men are trash pa din.
Yung arrow mo pabalik.
Yeah, like yan, through us, sa friendships na how far would you defend this guy? Oh, I'll take a bullet sa kanya, pare. I'll take a bullet for my cousin talaga.
Pero saan nang gagaling lahat ng unhealed trauma na to sa mga kalalakihan? Kasi I think this is a common situation for all of us. Na a lot of us have experiences with these men or who are not healed. Bakit mostly in most cases ganun nangyayari sa mga kalalakihan?
Siguro kasi parang yun nga, since we live in a patriarchal system,
Yes.
may certain expectation of how we should act.
Yeah.
It's parang hindi common na pag-usapan.
Na mag-express din ng emotions.
Dapat yung pag-usapan, gano'n ka kastig, gano'n ka kapogi, ilan na yung girlfriend mo.
Oh, yun.
Diba?
Saka normally pag nagiging soft tayo, natatawag tayo.
Yun nga, parang, KJ naman na ito,
Diba?
diba? So, I think it's still about the system. It's a system that we live in, that we should challenge. Yeah? Kaya tayo nandito.
Kaya tayo
listening here.
I think to close everything off, what we learned from our experiences is that galing sa environment, 'di ba? Galing sa kinalalakihan natin.
Yes.
Galing sa kinalalakihan ng kalalakihan.
Uy, wordplay.
Ng kalakihan.
Ng kalakihan hanggang sa kalakihan na nila. 'Di ba? At I think importante din na magkaroon ang lalaki ng isang journey towards self-growth and understanding.
Yes.
Going past the situations where you have to conform to something or you have to fit in among your boys because you need to know yourself as a man. That's why with this hashtag men are trash and hashtag me too, it's not just a kasabihan lang it's a movement. It's something,
It's a call to action.
it's a call to action. Yes. Not just against men, pero it's just a wake-up call for you guys for us. Kasi syempre, lalaki naman din ako na huy, dapat wala kang tinatapakang tao sa journey mo. Diba?
True. And ako, I firmly believe, kasi that's what's hard about life. Whoa! Kahit na, alam mo yun, even though in your heart, you're coming from a place of kindness, it can still be misinterpreted.
Yes.
Eh.
Oh, totoo.
Diba?
Oo naman,
It can
most
still be
of the time.
misunderstood. That's why
A lot
it's
of
important
times.
for us yun to have these kinds of difficult conversations to address our unhealed traumas.
And we want to thank Chico for being vulnerable.
Yeah,
Sharing that with us.
Chico.
Kasi bro, that proves a lot about kung ano yung stand mo ngayon sa sarili mo.
Kasi
That shows a lot.
I really trust you guys. I mean, this is like a safe environment. Hindi lang sila dito. We have our producers here, directors. I trust everyone here. And, ayan.
What are you talking about? Walang tao dito.
Ay, wala pala.
Sino yung hinanap mo?
I-send kasi natin to eh. I-send natin to sa... Yeah. So,
Okay.
Safe naman tayo dito, pero mamaya hindi ka na safe kay kuya. Inside joke.
Inside joke. But anyway, that's why it's important and hopefully for everyone watching us, we should try to always come from a place of kindness and choose to understand more than judge.
Because men are trash but men can be
Recycle.
And again, guys, sabi ni Polo kanina, challenging that hashtag men are trash concept isn't a one-way street or hindi siya yes or no question. It's a journey eh. It's a journey of these kinds of conversations to realize kung ano yung mali or what we can improve on.
Yeah.
Because being a better man is a process.
Yes.
Continuous learning, continuous realizations. That
Yes.
the reality that we used to live in, medyo hindi pala siya okay. Diba?
Kasi hanggang ngayon, kahit ganito tayo magsalita, madami tayong realizations. We're
and
still in the process, di ba?
And don't be afraid to let go.
Yeah.
Even though it's hard.
Kasi, even though it's hard, sobrang
Only know you love her when you let her go.
Yes. And speaking of letting go, I think we have to let go of our audience na.
Oh no!
Pero maraming salamat po sa pagpapanood ng aming podcast. At kung nag-enjoy po kayo, naway mag-comment po kayo sa comment section ng inyong thoughts tungkol sa conversation na hashtag
our
men are
hot takes.
trash. Sa mga kwento natin dito. At sana mag-subscribe din po kayo sa aming YouTube page.